Welcome to GOTAP, your gateway to seamless NFC and QR code solutions designed for the modern business landscape. In today's era, staying connected is crucial. GOTAP offers you the technology to streamline operations, enhance engagement, and elevate your brand identity. Let's dive into how GOTAP's intuitive platform can be your business's game changer. Getting started with GOTAP is simple. Visit the login page that is adapted to your brand. Logo, images, and color all align with your brand book. Both Super Admin and Employee have the same login page. Let's begin by logging in. GOTAP ensures structured access control to safeguard your data while promoting accountability. Admins have a comprehensive view, accessing user performance, taps, and exchanged contacts, allowing for a thorough oversight. The dashboard is your operational hub. Here, you can get a quick overview of recent interactions and user performance. Admins have the privilege to see the taps and performance of each employee, ensuring everything is on track. Dive into analytics to evaluate your engagement metrics, helping you make data-driven decisions. Under members, manage your team. Super admins can even access exchanged contacts for each member, promoting transparency and collaboration. The member overview shows you a quick glimpse of each of your employees' data. The super admin is able to edit the member's data by yourself. Also, you can share the profile, or just simply scan the QR code to see the employee's dedicated landing page. Removing or adding an employee can be done with just one click. If your company has a lot of employees, it's much more convenient to upload them in bulk. A simple CSV template is provided to simplify the process for your admin. Customize your profile and account settings to align with your brand identity. Dig deeper to set preferences, ensuring a personalized user experience. Update your employees with real-time notifications, ensuring they never miss any important news. Employees have a more limited view, focusing on their individual profiles and performance metrics. This structured access control ensures the right information is accessible to the right people, safeguarding your business operations. The dashboard, though streamlined for employees, retains its intuitive design. Employees can view and edit their own data, updating links, bio, and social accounts, choosing from the brand-aligned design templates provided. Under a separate tab, they can delve into analytics, but only for their own product card, ensuring a focused evaluation. The ease of editing and real-time insight into performance encapsulates GOTAP's user-centric approach, even at the employee level, simplifying task management while keeping the user informed and engaged. With GOTAP, tailoring your digital presence is straightforward. Let's delve into customization. Modify color schemes and upload your brand logo, aligning the aesthetics with your brand identity. Customize your domain prefix, making your brand easily recognizable. Design a captivating landing page that resonates with your brand's ethos. GOTAP's customization extends to nearly every aspect, providing a cohesive and branded user experience. A simple tap of the card on a phone exposes a bespoke landing page tailored to echo your brand's essence. Colors, logos, and layout demonstrate how it can be adapted to align with your brand book. This feature not only augments user experience but also reinforces brand consistency across digital interactions. At GOTAP, support is just a click away. Navigate to the support section for a wealth of resources. If you require more help, our admin is reachable by WhatsApp to assist you. GOTAP is more than just a solution for your business. It's a pathway to streamlined, effective, and engaging business interactions. With an intuitive dashboard, extensive customization, and robust support, managing your operations has never been easier. Explore GOTAP and take a step towards a more connected, efficient business landscape.